it's me Minori and my friend who doesn't have a name yet. Welcome back to my channel. Hi! So, recently I saw Jackie or Nerdy Crafter's video where she's playing with these miniature kitchen toys. I love you, Jackie. And I was like, I need that. They're so tiny and they actually work. So I checked it out and got a few for myself. And it finally arrived. It was kind of custom made for me, so it took a while and I'm just so excited to try it out. I've always wanted a real working miniature kitchen. We're trying out something new today, so let's just have fun. Making mini foods with a real working mini kitchen. Let's get started. So guys, this is my mini kitchen. I think it needs like a little fixing. But yeah, let's unbox everything and build a mini kitchen together. And this is gonna go right here. By the way, everything is custom made, so I chose the floor and the walls. First off, I got this cabinet. Oh, it's so cute. And it actually opens, and you can store some things inside. Does this open? It does. Oh, wow. Everything actually works. Like, look at this shelf. It's so small. So this is gonna go right here. And then the sink. So this sink actually works. I'm going to put the tubes inside here and I'll work on the cords later. So inside here. Oh, there's some more storage. And more. And more. That's a lot of storage. And the most important part, the kitchen stove. And this is the real working kitchen stove. So it opens up like this, and you could put like candles inside. It doubles up as an oven, which is insane. Look at all these small details, like the knobs and stuff. I'm gonna put this right here. And this apparently lights up. And I'm just gonna stick it on right here. Nice and secure. And next we've got this kitchen table. Oh my gosh, it's looking so cute. And we've got some little accessories. So like I said, everything is custom made for me. I chose the colors, I chose the walls, I basically chose everything. And they asked me what logo I want to put up right here. And I just a mini cute club. And this is the logo that they made for me. So up close, it looks like this. And they actually used my mascot, but I didn't give them this. But I guess they knew who I was. So I was really surprised when I saw this logo. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for a cute logo. But it's sometimes very awkward when you notice that people know who you are. So this logo is gonna go right here. And these cute shelves. Some cute plants for decoration. A miniature cutting board. This is gonna go right here. And we're gonna hang these up. This is too adorable. I love how realistic it is. And this frying pan. Some smaller ones. And some bigger ones. Some more tools. Let me put them right here. What else do I have? And yes, the knife. Oh my gosh. And it feels really sharp. I'm not gonna touch it, but I know for sure it's gonna cut very well. It feels really high quality. I also got these like little cups and stuff from Amazon, and I think it's gonna look perfect in this cabinet. And one more right here. Love it. And next up, I got this tiny mixer. Oh my gosh, this actually works? I'm amazed. So it came with this battery pack. Let me plug it. So you need 3 batteries. And the reveal. 3, 2, 1. Oh! It's actually so powerful. Let me do that again. Look at that! Oh, this is quite dangerous. It's not for kids. But I'm just so amazed. It's not like those toys. Where should I put this? I shall put this right here for now. So the back looks something like this. There's a USB, and I guess we need to like connect these motors. Here I've got a bowl of water. I'm gonna put it inside like so. And I'm gonna connect everything in the back. And when we twist this right here, nothing comes out. How does this work? Oh! Wait. Interesting. Quick, I need some towels. We got a water disaster over here. It's okay. Everything's fine.
2 hours later.
Okay, I finally got it, guys. I think the tube was like bent the wrong way, but now it should work. The reveal. It's a working faucet! And it drains. Okay, that is actually really fun. A working faucet. Yes. And when you lift it up. Well, that took a while, but I'm really impressed. But wait, there's more. I've got a whole nother box. First item in the second box And this is actually a crepe maker. You can make real crepes with it. So here we've got a base. Oh, so this goes on the bottom. And it says to use glue to attach the stove top. And I guess this goes right here. And we've got this crepe spreading thingy. And use this to make some crepes. And guys, I think that's it. So let's glue it together as the instruction says. And it looks something like that. So let's put this aside and let's try cooking some mini foods. What should I make? By the way, I washed everything. How about a mini omurice? So first let's cut some onions. It cuts really well. And now I'm gonna put it inside this bowl that I got at Daiso. And next, a mini carrot. Oh. Again, I'm going to dice it into small pieces. And here's some white rice. So here I've got a candle and I'm gonna put it inside the stove. And close. I hope this is strong enough. Oh, that's strong enough. Tiny bit of oil. And first some onions. Can you guys hear that? It's sizzling. Let's add a tiny bit more. And now some carrots. A little bit more oil. Oh, the handle's getting a little bit warm. It's sizzling. And now to add some rice. It smells really nice. I'm getting hungry. Sometimes when I do these, I just think to myself, I've seen this on YouTube. Ironic. And now a little bit of ketchup. And more ketchup. Looking good. And onto the plate. It looks really hot. It's really well cooked. And now we have the rice. Next, let's use the mixer. So here's the bowl and a quail egg. And start. That's a good mixer. It mixed really, really well. And it looks something like this. Back to the frying pan, some oil, let it heat up, and pour in some egg. Oh, that sounded so good. Oh, this is a great ASMR. Swirl it around a bit. Ah, I think it's cooked. And if you put this on top, here we have omurice. Let's cook some broccoli and a tomato. And some lettuce. And lastly, some decorations. It looks like it's crying. And the cheeks. Okay, next, let's make some french fries. I got this pot from Daiso. I'm gonna fill it in. And while we're waiting for it to heat up, let's cut the potato. Freshly made by my neighbors. They're so sweet. They give us fresh veggies all the time. And this one was just like so tiny. It's working! Maybe a few more minutes. I'm glad it's working because I wasn't sure if it was gonna be hot enough. Okay, next, let's make some Hamburg steak. Okay, onions once again. Some salt, egg, and mix. Okay, next I want to try baking because apparently you can actually use the oven. So I went to Daiso and I got this mold. This is a little bit too big, so I'm gonna cut it out. Okay, yeah, I think this fits. 1 egg and mix. Saving half for later, some powder mixture. I have no clue how much I need, but hopefully this works. And some soy milk. And mix. And I'm just gonna pour it in. And now the oven. I placed a candle on the bottom. And let's put it in for I don't know how long. I'm gonna be eyeing it, but I would say like 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see. And we wait. By the way, my first one, a total fail. Wow, that oven is really strong. Okay, second try. It still got a little bit burnt, but I'm impressed. And it smells really nice. And a blueberry on top. And last, let's make some crepes. I'm really excited for this part. So here I have some leftover eggs. Let's add some powder, some soy milk, a little bit of oil, and mix. And here we have a crepe mix. I'm going to put this inside and light it up. Here we go, guys. Oops. Am I doing this right? That is like a total fail, but this is really hard. I mean, it still worked. We need to move real quick. It's really harder than it looks. Okay, last try. I mean, kind of. Kind of. And we're going to use this mixer one last time. Some cream, sugar. We use this a lot today. And mix. This is a good mixer. Some whipped cream. Blueberry. And when we close it up, here we have a mini crepe. That is so adorable. And obviously, I'm going to eat them.
Okay.
It's good. It's good, it's good. So what did you guys think of this mini kitchen? I had a lot of fun and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!